What's going on, guys? Zujo here, coming at you guys with a brand new video. In this video today, guys, we're going to be going to the shop and installing some long tube headers on, I don't know if you guys remember, Miles' E46 M3. He just bought some long tube headers and we're going to be installing it at the shop. Erwin's going to be there and we're going to meet Miles there, and I think one of our buddies is going to be there too, Ali, he's a welder. So should be a really sick video, guys. I'm going to be taking the 335 with me. Just finished breaking in the clutch about 2 days ago, so just started ripping it again. So the clutch is amazing, guys. I'll show you some clips when I'm driving, but I'm loving the X clutch. Hopefully it lasts a long time, and it's gonna be really good, guys. So we're gonna start cruising to the shop right now. We're gonna be installing the headers to Miles' M3, and we'll see you there. Yo guys, so if you're wondering why I got these lights right here, I went racing last night and I actually took out the passenger seat, so it's literally just the driver's seat in right now. So that's why I got these lights. But I know you could code it out with Pro Tool, but it's just because nothing's plugged in right now, that's why that's on. So if you guys were wondering when I'm about to show my gauges right here when I'm driving, that's why I got these Christmas trees. And this over here is my traction control, it's off. And then I got a light for my e-brake, which I'm not sure, I gotta check that out. Just arrived at the shop, guys. M3 is already here, they already started working on it. She's up there. You guys remember Miles' E46? So we're getting, are they long tube headers? Long tube headers? Yeah. So you guys know this guy?
Special needs.
He's getting the reservoir off right now. Trying to create some room, some space to get access to the stock headers. Ali's out getting a pizza for the boys right now. Where's the headers? In the trunk? Oh, they're over here. Tease! This is your stock exhaust? This is your stock exhaust?
Yeah, we're gonna put that one on.
Here's the headers, guys. Where'd you get them from? These are Active Auto Works? Active Auto Works race headers for an E46 M3, guys. Oh, these are gonna sound so nice. Hopefully he gets the nice. What's this? No way, bro. Is that a Tome? Yo, that's actually fat. What the heck? I've never seen one in person.
There you go.
Damn, 5-inch?
4.5.
That's not 4.5.
I think it's 4.5.
That's 5. Has to be. That thing's huge.
It is huge.
Yo, put it up to your car.
Big Japanese car.
Wow. Not like that. Like pretend, yeah. If you just stick it out of that side. Yo, that thing is massive.
Oh my god. Let me see that. Do that again. One more time.
It's massive. People are gonna think you got like a single turbo on there or something. E46ers.
All the covers off here. We got the coolant reservoir tank off. Be careful because these plastic lines will snap. They're fragile. We snapped that right there when you're taking off the reservoir. A little WD-40 is going to help it out when you take the circlips off. But yeah, so we got the little cover off too that covers the valve, covers the header, protects the valve cover. You can see it. We got that off. You got to kind of slide it and twist it to take it off. And then we soaked all the header bolts in PV blaster, some WD, and they came off pretty nicely. No torch, even though this is a high mileage car, a lot of rust.
First header's off. Erwin's tackling the second header right now.
Oh! What a klutz, everybody.
That was my bad. I was right in there. Getting those angles.
I wasn't talking about Donnie.
Oh. Yo. You got a leaky beamer, bro. Tight, eh? Here, give me the flash. Yeah, baby. With old beamers like this, guys, you gotta be prepared for this kind of stuff because everything's rusted. Not a lot of stuff has been removed in a while. Cat numbered
Dose.
tack welds while we had, I wasn't recording, but Erwin put the header on the car and he just kind of mounted it and they did a quick tack so that they...
Because when they sent the flange, they don't send it welded for some reason, so we had to line it up and Ali's gonna weld it up.
$20 Canadian welder for the entire fucking setup.
Don't let it touch here, go on the other side. On the left more.
Why don't they just...
Tack welding the Y pipe to his stock exhaust right now. Alright guys, so everything's finally bolted on. We got it all mounted up, clamped onto the Y pipe, back to his factory exhaust, and then all the way down here. It's a little dark, but the headers are up there, guys. So we're gonna drop the car down now and we're gonna show you guys what it sounds like. Should be really nice, and we're gonna go for a test ride too. And
Look at that. Holy.
what's going on, guys? So I hope you enjoyed that video of us installing the headers to Miles's E46 M3 and also installing the Tomei single exit. If you guys enjoyed the video, please remember to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. It's been Dujo, guys. I'm out. Peace.